What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have my updated hair care routine. This one's pretty special because I have been dealing with postpartum hair loss, so I talk about that a lot in this video. I'm also a mom now, so I just don't have the hours and hours to spend pampering myself, but I still do think it's super important to pamper myself, feel good and look good. So I kind of have come up with this over the last few months, come up with this really simple go-to hair care routine that still keeps my hair looking super shiny, frizz-free, and really healthy and good, but it's quick and simple. There's not too many products and it's just like my go-to. So I really wanted to share with you guys. My hair has gotten super long. I'm definitely due for like a haircut, but I have been getting lots of questions from you guys asking how my hair has grown so much. And I do think there is a good amount of genetics that comes into play because my hair has always grown fast, but I do notice that it grows even faster when I'm making sure to take my vitamin D. Vitamin D is like super key, especially if you're suffering from postpartum hair loss. Vitamin D it's critical to have, and making sure I'm taking my vitamins, drinking my water, and washing my hair only once a week. I think it's super important to just let those natural oils that your hair produces nourish your hair. They're super nourishing for your hair, so I think that that plays a big part in it. But I definitely do think I am due for a haircut, add some layers in and all that. Also, I get asked about my hair color a lot. This is actually my natural hair color. But yeah, if you guys want to check out my hair care routine, then just keep on watching. So of course, I'm just rinsing my hair just to get it wet for the shampoo. My absolute favorite shampoo has been the Way for medium hair. Not only do I love the way that it smells, but I love the way that it cleans my hair. Making sure that I use a shampoo that really is going to clean my hair is super important because I do only wash my hair once a week. I also lately have been double shampooing, so making sure that I shampoo once just to make sure I really get all of that oil and just product built up out of there, and then the second shampoo just really helps your hair absorb all of the ingredients that are actually in the shampoo to nourish my hair and just get in any last minute products built up. And ever since I have been double shampooing, my hair has been so much like more volumized because there isn't anything weighing it down. So I highly recommend try to double shampoo. It's been a game changer. So right after I shampoo, I use this Macadamia Deep Repair hair mask. You guys, I have been literally using this mask for like 7 or 8 years now. No joke, I am obsessed with it. It keeps my hair super healthy, frizz-free. It also really helps my hair when I'm brushing it afterwards. Anytime I get lazy or forget to use this, I notice my hair is super hard to brush afterwards, so I'm just obsessed with this stuff. As you can see, I split my hair down the middle just to make sure I can try to apply the product very evenly from root to tip. And now I'm just rinsing it out. I like to leave it in for at least 10 minutes. The longer the better, but you know, your girl doesn't have that much time these days, so at least 10 minutes. And for conditioner, I follow up with the Way medium hair conditioner as well. I like to kind of just put this on the ends of my hair only and a little bit up the mid section as well. Just for about a minute or two, I'll leave it in. On to after the shower hair care. I love the Way leave-in conditioner. I promise they are not sponsoring this video, you guys. I just absolutely love their hair care products. And the next thing I do is put in this Way hair oil. I used to put in hair oil only at the end after styling my hair, but now I put it in my hair while it's wet, and that has been a game changer because then when I go to style my hair, it really keeps my hair super smooth. Next, I am using the Color Wow Dream Coat. This is kind of like a newer product for me, but I have been really loving this when I am going to apply heat directly to my hair right afterwards. Then I am just parting my hair down the middle and brushing out my hair. I love using a flat paddle brush to brush out my hair. And you'll notice I am starting on the ends first and then working my way up. This has just been a more gentle approach. I have been having major postpartum hair loss. I am literally losing, as you can see, chunks of hair. So for styling, I am using my absolute favorite, the Panasonic blow dryer. Huge shout out to them. They are sponsoring today's video. I love this blow dryer, you guys. It is so lightweight. Nobody wants to hold like a heavy blow dryer when they are styling their hair. Am I right? Like, I love that this blow dryer is super lightweight. So lately I've been loving straightening my hair with a blow dryer, because if I straighten my hair with a flat iron, my hair just turns out super flat, obviously. The blow dryer just really keeps that volume. And so I like to use this paddle brush, and I just go ahead and take the nozzle. I love this nozzle that attaches straight to the Panasonic blow dryer because it makes it perfect for precise styling, and I love using the cool setting. This blow dryer offers both hot, warm, and cool setting, and I love using it on the cool setting because it really helps to prevent frizz. It also has 2 different speed settings in both low and high. What I love about this blow dryer is it has patent nanotechnology, so it really infuses your hair with moisture-rich particles, which I notice provides like a smoother, just overall shinier look. I wanted to quickly show you guys the attachments that comes with the Panasonic blow dryer. It comes with the quick dry nozzle, which is perfect for fast drying. It also comes with the diffuser attachment, which is perfect for curly hair. And then the one that I am using in this video, which is the concentrator nozzle, which is perfect for precise styling. It really allows the airflow to be concentrated in one direction so that you can precisely style your hair. So if you guys want to check out the Panasonic blow dryer, it is available on Amazon.ca. I will leave the link in the description box down below for you guys to go ahead and shop it. And I love to finish off my hair with the Way Matte Pomade. It is matte, so it's not gonna make your hair greasy, and it helps just kind of tame any flyaways, and also just helps to kind of like keep your style in. And that is it, you guys, for my hair care routine. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.